Sheesh. Alright, what's up and what's Gucci, people? As you guys can see, it's your host of the most, Paul Cantu. And yeah, today I'm gonna get into what $1,200 actually got me at a vintage event. So basically this is showing what $1,200 can get you in terms of thrifted gear on the resale market. Now a lot of these prices I did haggle with. Some of these items I got really good deals on, but this just goes to show like you can spend $1,200 on like 3 pairs of shoes they're hyped on, a few designer pieces, but I'm about to show you guys the amount of absolute crazy vintage flame that you get for $1,200. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is gonna be me talking about a lot of clothes, so if you're not into that, then well, you already invested a little bit of time watching this, so you might as well stick around till the end. But let's go ahead and begin with this giant pile of fire. I honestly don't know how my couch is still surviving. Like, there's a big stack of clothes next to me. Jesus. All right, and with that being said, let's get into the shits. So the first items that I got, I actually have on right now. So I got this I got this Castrol Racing, or is that Gastrol? Yeah, Castrol Racing hat. I also grabbed this Tweety vintage t-shirt as well. And then probably one of my favorite finds is this duffel bag right here. It is a Gatorade sponsored duffel bag. The colorway is insane. It has purple, lime green, orange, red, yellow. Dude, this like teal smurf blue. This is just a really insane NBA sponsored Gatorade collab duffel. It didn't come with a shoulder strap, but I copped this off another bag at the thrift. So the first items we're gonna get into are all for the personal collection. So these are items that I grabbed that I just can foresee myself wearing. The first one is this like Pocahontas light pink tee. It definitely is crazy. It's all embroidered on that pocket for narcotics. Now the homie actually gifted me with the fishes that get you hella bitches shirt right here. It is like an all over aquatic print, and it actually is made by Speedo, so that's definitely dope. You can dress this up or dress it down. Now also, if you guys are looking to purchase anything you guys see, then of course a lot of these items will be listed on my vintage website, which is thriftheavenvintage.com, and the link is in the description for that guy. Now on some Ashton Kutcher swag, I got this 70s striped t-shirt as well. This thing is really sick, a clean essential. I do like rocking vintage gear and like having that vintage look, but also having a more formal look at times. You know, you gotta switch it up, be versatile with the style you dig. I grabbed the bootleg FUBU tee. You guys know FUBU boys are out here, so I had to get this. It got Fat Albert in the F because he is a nice obese ass animated cartoon character, and he probably low-key is obese from eating all these damn Lays. So yeah, I copped the Lay's potato chip all over print polo shirt. This thing is nuts, dude. So of course that's staying with me for a hot minute. This shirt I really like. I did spend $50. It was like one of the first items I got. And it's a Vote, so see you at the polls 90s tee right here. It's all over print, and it has them of course in line, and then they're about to cast their ballot on the front. Multicolored, really crazy, really dope. It's a loud flamboyant piece that stands out. Now another piece that stands out is the motherfucking Elmo sport tee, bro. What? Bro, tickle me Elmo. This thing is really hard and really crispy, bro. So of course I had to get it. It's like a little homage, you dig, to a Ralph Lauren polo. I also got this crazy Mickey Crewneck. This thing is sick, super old school. That fool is like diving. I may have to speed this up because, dude, I got a lot of shit. Another personal collection piece is like the horizontally striped 90s Mickey tee. I just love the stripages. I can see myself wearing this like tucked into some light denim, so that is definitely a clean piece. Now I love rocking pink and yellow, and then of course you have the black frame on this Betty Boop, Betty Hollywood or Betty Wood Doe tee. She's looking like Marilyn Monroe getting her skirt blown up. Very sensual, a little whore, a little thought-alicious cartoon character. I also got the lightning striking on the Super Bowl champs Dallas Cowboys tee. That is my team, and it is clean. Now this piece I really wanted for myself, but it fits me hella stupid. It is this sick Star Wars Episode 1 tee with Darth Maul right in the center, looking very vicious. He about to fuck shit up. That's easily one of the coolest looking like Star Wars characters in my opinion. Now getting into all the stuff that's gonna be for sale, I got this multicolored Nautica hoodie. This shit is dope. Classic 90s color scheme. It's just like, dude, everything I copped, I can see myself wearing. That is my one rule to this shit. If I fuck with it, then I assume you guys will fuck with it as well, or anyone who is a vintage head or just wants a nice, unique piece. For the low, I got this checkerboard Chaps Ralph Lauren Hawaiian shirt. I also got a Chaps Berkeley striped shirt right here. All these colors are 90s as hell and very crazy. I love the vertical stripages. Now I also got the Coke tee because low-key the bear is like sagging and showing off the Coke branding on his waistline, so that definitely is sick. I got this like hot pink and navy Tommy stripe tee, a nice essential, and it has the crest right on the bottom right here. So that also is Nito Mosquito. Shut the fuck up, bitch! I got another Tommy piece. This one's multicolored. It has a nice mandarin collar, so that's a sick little aspect. It has green sleeves, so that's very cool as well. Moving on, dude, I grabbed this like extreme lubricant tee, if I am correct. It has this chick just chilling with really percolating titties on an ATV, so that definitely is cool. More Mickey wear. I got an essential Mickey tee right here. That dude hitting the jig. I love black t-shirts just because like they won't get dirty or stained as easily. You have another striped Mickey tee right here. This one's all embroidered. I may actually keep this. This thing is fucking hard. I love striped shirts, bro. In like a $5 bin, I got this Orlando Magic shirt right here by Starter that goes harder. Ooh, now this piece is sick. It's a 90s made in USA. Can you say kick some butt, boy? Yes, that definitely is sick. So has a nice little image to draw the attention onto your glutes. I got this insane, wow, that's upside down. This insane Fresh Prince vibed out Nike, well, this isn't Nike, vintage Windbreaker as well. That's just really self-explanatory and cool. Now this colorway is hard, bro. Purple, red, yellow, and then the aqua, bro. I love that piece. I got a bunch of Nike Windbreakers as well. Boom, this one right here. Not too much really to say about them aside from the fact that they do have some value. Got the Obama tee as well. And the Nike Windbreakers definitely are just sick. Like, they try and recreate them. However, it's just nothing like the old school designs in my humble opinion. And I love the big check on the back, looking like a flawless ass spelling bee. I remember like in elementary, dude, like I would just get straight checks. Like how the fuck is that a grade? I don't know. Them teachers low-key lazy. This is in the Laney colorway, another little Nike Windbreaker. The colorways are just vicious, and these are really light, really dope to like just throw on, get out the crib with, and break some necks in. This is another Nike Windbreaker. Again, that big old check on the back, burgundy and blue. It's like in the Avalanche colorway. I got this sick Deion Sanders jersey. This fool was cold as hell, bro. He played offense and defense, which is pretty unheard of in the NFL. So just a little fun factoid for you guys to mull over in your mind. I got some Lotto shorts right here. Very 90s, very cool. Show off some thigh gap. Oh, I think this is a bootleg. Someone just gave me this. It's a little baby Milo tee or Milo, depending on if you're white or Hispanic. I grabbed, or if you're both like me, you know, you can mix it up a little bit. I got the Hard Rock Cafe Washington DC tee, very old school. These really stand out and look sick. Another crazy ass windbreaker. I have an affinity for windbreakers, and you guys know the Mickey shit. This is like a crop top. This is wide as hell. It got Mickey's big ass fucking head on it, and on the back it says Mickey with like this like Alice in Wonderland-esque looking design. Now this is by my favorite brand, Head, so get you some Head, you dig? Again, the Fresh Prince 90s kind of color blocking on the nylon sleeves. This is cut and sew, so it's really cool. And then that hitted yellow right down the center definitely is attention grabbing on that dude. And of course, man, to go with the Elmo Sport, I got the Elmo Crewneck all embroidered with like the furry texture on him, low-key like some little Yachty pube texture, you know what I'm saying? I got the Agassi tee. This is sick, made in USA, Nike tag on it. It is boxier in the fit, but hey, fuck it. But yeah, dude, like already, man, I'm breezing through these things, but you guys can tell, man, $1,200 in terms of vintage can get you a hell of a lot of shit. I got two NASCAR tees, the Kello. Alright class, well that fucking blows. My camera died and I kept talking probably for like 7 minutes. I don't know, because I thought I was still recording. Anyways, we're gonna just skirt through the rest of this. I have to do this again, which is nuts. You have the Castrol Racing NASCAR tee that also matches my hat. Dude, I'm gonna like breeze through this because I'm high-key pissed off. And sorry if I show off anything I showed off before. Aquaberry Windbreaker right there. Actually, no. You know what? I'm gonna slow down and do these clothes some damn justice. Because $1,200 can go a long way in terms of your damn wardrobe. You have this Fresh Prince Aztec looking button up that I got as well. You have a Tabasco in this hoe. We got too much sauce on the polo. I just love the colorways and really loud flamboyant polos, especially if you guys like have a damn job or like you go to school or have to go to church. Like, it's a dope way to fucking flex. I also have the vertically striped red, white, and blue polo by Ralph Lauren shirts. This is crazy. This piece right here is a giant ass Reebok windbreaker with the logo draped from like one freaking forearm to the other. So that's sick. You can just walk around like this, show off that damn logo. Got the Nautica competition fleece. And again, dude, I am sorry if I like show off any pieces twice. At this point, I've done this already, so I don't really remember what order stuff is in. I also have the airbrush Red Tar shirt. Shout out anyone who watched a little Rugrats. That was like a staple growing up whenever I could finesse some cable here and there. Got the Phoenix Suns Magic Johnson tee. This is double-sided and very sick looking. You also have a couple Coogee-esque sweaters. These are dope for, again, formal functions. They're crocheted, multicolored. Go with a lot of things. Low-key, a lot of these colorways will go with the new Wave Runners too. I don't know if that's how I would style the pieces together, but you could do that if you wanted. Got a Looney Tunes Dallas Cowboys collab. That is my team. Taz is about to attack some realistic black and gray rendition of some players. You guys know, man, Fubu Boys in this bitch. You got the dip dye Fubu Boys with that Tweety Big Bird yellow. You also have this crew neck that is Disneyed out. Got the whole gang embroidered, so that'll last a while. I love that embroidery. Also, you got another Disney character right here. You have the Grumpy Schematic tee, just showing you guys, I guess, how like pissed he gets or where it originates from. Another sweater that is sick is this Tommy for Your Mommy Hilfiger sweater. It's pink, green, white, and navy. Kind of a wavy ass color scheme if you ask your boy. Look at this Tommy Hilfiger, bro. Draped all over the shoulder blades, cutting it up. You also have a nice little Operation Desert Storm Bart collab tee. Very interesting. Another all over print shirt that low-key looks like the Suns one is the Chicago Bulls shirt. Slightly better than the Phoenix Suns. Now, I also have this Adidas windbreaker right here. Very heavy duty, very sick. Got the striping all along the back to let you guys know that sometimes it stripes over checks. Again, man, another Adidas piece. I got this one for $5. That trifoil logo is hard and it's all embroidered. Now, if you are affiliated or loyal to Drake and Travis Scott, then checks over stripes. That's what I like. Yo, that's what we like. Dope Nike windbreaker, bro. Also have this like tug of war little shirt right here with all the Looney Tune cast, even though Bugs Bunny is cheating and is using a tree stump, but I don't know if Taz could like destroy that on his own. You also have another piece that you could wear to the office or just, you know, break necks with casually. This with shorts would be sick. Yo, this Iron Maiden graphic is sick on this vintage band tee right here. That fool got that good hair weave looking like damn Rapunzel in that bitch. You also have the Kellogg's gang all over this vintage tee. Little cereal squad. Another Nike windbreaker. Medium-sized check on the back. Forest green and black. The colorways are vicious and absolutely delicious on those guys. You guys know, man, I hated Goofy especially. You got the Goofy with a big ass face, bright multicolored Walt Disney World tee. That is sick. Speaking of Disney, bruh, you got the 101 Dalmatian vibe on this Mickey Mouse t-shirt right here. Speckles all over the place. I grabbed this shirt. I don't really grab too much collegiate shit, but yo, this damn Iowa Hawkeyes tee is crazy. That fool is straight up about to dunk with his wing. I don't know if that's actually how the bone structure could function in the wild, but fuck it, that boy fly. You also got the Bulls Chicago little crew neck. I got the Drexler, Mr. Clyde himself, all embroidered Blazers jersey. Let me fix that. And then we have 3 more pieces to tie off the haul with. You have this sick Dallas Cowboy shirt right here. You also have a Taz Space Jam tee. And last but not least, a piece of personal heat is probably this Lotto Aquaberry jacket. Now, I may have missed a couple pieces when my camera fucking died. But if you guys enjoyed, man, like, comment, and subscribe. You guys already know if you want any vintage gear, Thrift Type Vintage is the place to go. If you made it to the end of the video, let me know as well, because I appreciate you guys watching the shits all the way through, especially when I am just showing off a bunch of clothes. But I really like the pieces that I like picked out and selected. They were all probably less than like 30 bucks. A lot of them were way less than that. But yeah, man, I got some good stuff overall at the DFW Vintage Swap Meet. So yeah, man, if you guys can't find shit in the thrifts, hit some vintage events, go online. You guys can literally redo your wardrobe for probably like 200 bucks. And if you have 1,200, then you guys saw the damage that can be done with that much money. So stack it up. If you guys want to have unique pieces, hit the thrift, hit my website, whatever the case may be. Look fresh for less and recycle some damn clothes, you little hoes. Peace. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost through. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get